ADA National Network. Mental Health Awareness Month. Conversations with Andy Imparato, JD, May 2019. What is your personal connection to mental illness?
So I graduated from law school in May of 1990, and the ADA was passed in July of 1990, and that was good timing for me. I had my first serious episode of depression starting in January of 1990, ended up getting diagnosed with bipolar disorder, and really because of the ADA, I've been able to be open about my bipolar disorder as a lawyer and able to have a successful career and have protections against discrimination under the ADA. So I'm very grateful to the people who worked on the ADA and created the civil rights law and passed it right at the time when I was, coming into the legal field and dealing with a new diagnosis. And the ADA really helped me see my disability as a source of strength and connection to the issues that I was working on and not as a negative. And I've tried to use it in my career as a positive differentiator. My experience with my mental illness, I think, helps me be a more effective advocate for people with all types of disabilities. And I also think it helps me be a better manager for other employees with mental health disabilities or other types of disabilities. The lived experience can give you insights that help you as a manager and help you as an employee.
Have you ever needed accommodations at work? If so, what was it like?
When I think about accommodations for me as a manager with bipolar disorder, one of my challenges is evaluating my own performance. When I'm depressed, I tend to undervalue my performance, and when I have my high energy, sometimes I overvalue my performance. So it's been important for me. 16 years of my career, I've been the CEO of 2 different nonprofits, and it's been important for me in both jobs, including my current job, to get a regular appraisal from my board so I can get an external assessment of how I'm doing. And when my board does my appraisal, I try to make sure that they get input from the people that report to me, from the folks on my staff, so that I'm also getting that feedback as part of my appraisal. So just getting honest feedback from my coworkers, from my supervisors, and in the context of me being a CEO, from my board of directors, has been my most important accommodation. If I didn't have that external feedback, I wouldn't be able to continue to try to improve as a professional. And again, there's a good chance that I'm going to undervalue or overvalue something that I do without that external feedback.
For any questions related to the Americans with Disabilities Act, contact your regional center by calling 1-800-949-4232. All calls are confidential. And for extensive ADA information, visit us online at adata.org.